Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Revolut app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Revolut app, unlock your iPhone and tap the Revolut app icon. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. Revolut allows you to log in using Face ID or your personal passcode. Step 3. Login with Face ID. If Face ID is enabled, simply look at your phone. Revolut will automatically and securely verify your identity. Step 4. Login with passcode. If Face ID is not enabled, enter your Revolut passcode on the screen. Make sure no one is watching while you type your code. Step 5. Successfully log in. After logging in, you will arrive to the home screen where you can see your balance, credit cards, payments, and recent activity. Step 6. Security tip and help. For your security, never share your passcode or phone. If you can't log in, tap forget passcode or follow the recovery steps in the app or contact customer support. And that's how you can log in into Revolut app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.